Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to check if the substring is present in the given string. So let's check this program. In the first line, this line defines a function named check substring that takes two parameters, main string and substring. The function's purpose is to check whether substring exists in the main string and return a corresponding result. Now, in the next line here, this line starts a conditional statement. It checks if the value of substring exists within the main string using in operator. If the substring is found, the condition evaluates to true and the next line executes. Otherwise, the else block is executed. Now, in the next line here, if the condition in the if statement is true, that is, substring exists in the main string, this line immediately ends the function's execution and returns the value true. Now, in the else part, if the condition in the if statement is false, that is, the substring does not exist in the main string, this line ensures that the code inside the else block is executed. And the next line here, this line is executed if the substring is not found in the main string. It ends the function's execution and returns the value false. Now, in the next line here, this line prompts the user to input a string using input function, and the entered value is stored in the variable main string, which will serve as the primary text in which the substring search is performed. And similarly, in the next line, which is this prompts the user to enter the substring they want to search for. The entered value is stored in the variable substring, which will be passed to the function as an argument. Now, in the next line here, this line calls the check substring function with substring as arguments and main string. If the function returns true, indicating the substring is found, the code inside the if block is executed. Otherwise, the code inside the else block runs. Now, in the next line here, if the check substring function returned true, this line outputs a message confirming that the substring exists in the main string. The message is formatted using fstring, which dynamically inserts the value of substrings to the string. And here, else part, this line specifies what to do if the check substring function returns false, and the block following this line is executed. So, in the last line here, if the check substring function is returned false, this line outputs a message indicating that the substring is not present in the main string. Like the previous message, it uses an f string to dynamically insert the value of substring. So let's check this program. We have to enter a string. Now we have to enter the substring to search, as I'm entering O. Hence the substring O is present in the main string. So thanks for watching this video.